Good morning, friends. Today I'm leading you through a 9-minute morning flow that you can do right when you wake up to just sort of awaken your body. So starting off, come to a nice comfortable seat. You can place a pillow or a blanket underneath your sit bones if you'd like to lift up your seat a little bit. Put your eyes closed and bring your attention to your breath. Drawing deep breaths through your nose, filling up your belly and your chest. And then nice, slow, deep breaths back out your nose. You can place one hand over your heart and one over your belly to physically feel the air fill your belly and your lungs. One more breath in and one more breath out. Gaze over your left shoulder and then over your right. Slowly back over your left, over your right. One more time each side, gazing over your left shoulder and your right. Draw your chin to center, drop your head back. Now draw your chin into your chest. Drop your head back. Drop your chin down. Last time, chin up and chin down. Draw your head to center, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. Create space on the right side of your neck. Roll your chin down, right ear to right shoulder. Head back. Left ear to left shoulder. Reversing that motion, draw your chin around the other direction and then lift your head to center. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Create a lot of space on your left side. Drop your chin down, left ear to left shoulder, head back, right ear to right shoulder. Now reverse that direction all the way around. Chin down, right ear to right shoulder, and pick your head up to center. Now place your left palm next to your left hip. Extend your right arm up toward the ceiling as high as you can. Then exhale, side body stretch. Reach your body over to the left side of your space, grounding down through your right sit bone, finding space along your right rib cage. Now return to center. Place your right hand next to your right hip. Extend your left arm up to the ceiling. Then exhale, side body stretch to the right. Gaze up toward your left hand and press your left sit bone down into the ground. Inhale, rise back up to center. Place your right hand on your left knee. Nice tall spine. Exhale, twist your torso so you're gazing behind you. This gentle twist in your torso from your belly button up. It's nice and early in the morning, so nice gentle twist here. Now come back to center. Place your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, expand. Exhale, twist. Gaze over your right shoulder rather, toward the wall behind you. Now come back to center. Now come to a tabletop position on your mat. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Gaze straight down between your hands. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly down toward the ground and lift your gaze in front of you. Exhale, cat pose. Curl your spine up and gaze between your thighs. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, look up. Exhale, cat pose. Pull your spine up toward the ceiling. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly. Exhale, cat pose. Curl your spine. Return to a neutral tabletop. Extend your right arm out in front of you and your left leg behind you. Inhale, find much length in your body. Then exhale, crunch your knee in toward your elbow. Inhale, extend straight back. Exhale, drop your right arm over to the right side and left leg over to the left side. Come back to a neutral tabletop. Extend your left arm straight out in front of you and your right leg behind you. Inhale, find length in your body. Exhale, crunch your elbow in toward your knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, left arm to the left side, right leg to the right side. Come back to center, back to a neutral tabletop, gazing straight down between your hands. Press your big toes together to touch. Widen your knees out to the edges of your space. Sink your hips to your heels and rest your forehead into your mat for child's pose. Finding this deep opening in your hips. Be mindful of your breath here, continuing to draw in deep breaths through your nose and out your nose. Now rise up to a tabletop position. Extend your arms out in front of you as far as you can, stacking your hips over your knees for puppy dog pose. You can either rest your forehead into your space or your chin. Rest your chin into your mat for a deeper opening through your shoulders and the front line of your body. Come back to a neutral tabletop. Inhale, cow pose, drop your belly, tuck your toes under. Exhale, downward facing dog. Lift your hips up and back and take a moment to settle into this position. First down dog of the day. Bend into one knee, bend into the next. Press your palms down and forward to lengthen your spine. Continue to take deep breaths in and out your nose. Inhale, rise up onto your toes. Exhale, melt your heels into the earth. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, melt your heels down. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, ragdoll pose. Step your feet behind your wrists at about hip-width distance. Drape your torso over your thighs. Let your head just hang heavy. Option to grab for opposite elbows and sway side to side. Release any tension in your low back. Just let any tension roll down the crown of your head. Maybe nod your head yes. Option to interlace your hands by the nape of your neck to let your head hang down a little heavier. Your arms down to the ground. Toe heel your feet together to touch. Leave just a sliver of space between your heels. Then on a very slow inhale, rise all the way up to stand, stacking one vertebrae on top of the next. When you get to the top, inhale, shrug your shoulders up. Exhale, relax your shoulder blades down your back. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, send your shoulders down your back. One more time, shoulders up. And exhale, lower down. Inhale, extend your arms up overhead, nice and tall. Exhale, standing at attention, drop your hands to your heart. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this simple 9-minute flow to wake you up for a great day.